So here I am with my medium-sized cage trailer. I'm going to be using this a little bit differently because we're going to be using that, and we're going to be putting in that Golf Buggy into the back. So just showing you can use a trailer for more than what you may think. First things first though, I need to measure that it's going to fit, which it's 2.4 meters long, and it's definitely over 1.3 wide, so the buggy is definitely going to fit, which is a good thing. Now that we've got the buggy loaded into the trailer, the next steps will be to secure it. Okay, so here we are, all loaded up, ready to go. I've used 2 straps going forward to lock it in that way, and a strap at the back to lock it in to stop it from rolling back, well, to stop it from going forwards. I think that's the correct way. What I'll do is, in a few hundred meters up the road, is just pull over, stop, check all the straps, make sure everything is intact. I've pulled over now a few hundred meters up from where I was before. Now I'm going around just checking all the straps to make sure they are still secure. As you can see, some of them are a little loose, so it's time to tighten them up.